What's going on? It's Jay with Shooter Touch Films, and today we just gonna cover how to insert your SD card into your GoPro. Now, I know you're excited and you want to start shooting, but you're trying to figure out where in the heck does my SD card go? So, just want to let you know, you turn it over to your right side, pull this little lever back, down, and up with your battery. You insert your card right here in this area. And also, it is two ways that you can insert it. Well, two ways that you might get confused. You insert the card faced inwards. Pop it in. And you're good to go. And that's how you enter your SD card for your new GoPro. Like and subscribe for more simple tips.